In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to change font style in Lovable. We'll walk through updating your project's typography using Google Fonts and Lovable's built-in chatbot so your site looks clean, consistent, and on brand. First, open your browser and head over to the Lovable website. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. From here, select the project where you want to change the font style. This makes sure every change we apply is scoped to the right site. To use a custom font, you'll need the font's embed code. Think of this as a small snippet that tells your website where to load the font from and which styles to use. We're going to grab that snippet from Google Fonts. Open Google Fonts and browse for a typeface that fits your brand. You can filter by categories like sans serif or serif and preview sample text. When you click into a family, choose only the styles and weights you actually plan to use, like regular 400 and bold 700. Limiting the number of styles helps your site load faster and keeps things tidy. Next, click the Get Embed Code option in the Selected Families panel. You'll see options to include the font via a link tag or an import. The link method is widely used and works great in most setups. Make sure the preview shows the exact weights you picked so the code matches what you need. Now, click the copy icon, the one labeled Content Copy, to put the embed code on your clipboard. Head back to Lovable and open the project's chatbot. Paste the embed snippet directly into the message box. In the same message, clearly tell the chatbot what you want it to do. For example, say, please add this Google Fonts embed to the site and set the global font to use this family. Apply it to body text, headings, and buttons. If you selected specific weights, mention them so the styles map correctly to normal, medium, or bold text across your design. Finally, send the message so the chatbot can update your project. It will process the embed, adjust the global styles, and confirm once the changes are in place. Like if you provided multiple families, for instance, one for headings and another for body copy, be explicit in your instructions so each area uses the correct font. After the chatbot responds, your project will use the new typography everywhere those global styles are applied. And that's it. Quick, clean, and consistent typography using Google Fonts within Lovable. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.